Let's make garlic Parmesan chicken.
And look, I got a thick, creamy sauce now because I like that creamy, thick sauce that I have now.
Saw this recipe online, so let's make it. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Diane. Thank you so much for joining me here today. So today we're going to be making a one-pan Parmesan garlic chicken. Everything is going to be in this one 9x13 pan, and we're going to put it in the oven at 375 degrees and bake it till it's fully done. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is I've got about a pound of green beans, and I'm just cutting them in half. So roughly you want about a 2-inch stalk of green bean. And then we're going to go in with some golden yellow potatoes. These are nice and tender, and they don't take as long to cook. So we're going to half those potatoes first, half them again, and then half them, turn them and half them, so they're going to look like that. Because this is just a good meal to have during the weekdays, just a one-pot dish that you can make when you come home from work, or do it on a Saturday as I'm doing mine. Hopefully you've had like a laid-back Saturday and didn't have to do too much. I've washed a couple of loads of clothes, but I haven't did a whole lot today. And so then next, what we're going to do is we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're just going to pour right over into our yellow golden potatoes and in our green beans. Olive oil of your choice. And then we're going to go in with some kosher salt. If you don't have kosher salt, you just use the salt that you have. I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Next, we're going to put in some pepper. And you just put in what you like, the amount you like. But not too much if you're not a real pepper person. You can skip it if you want. We're going to get that in there and get that all combined in there. And then we're just going to take our potatoes and our green beans, and we're just going to pour them in our 9x13 baking dish that we have.
Scoop everything out.
Nice and even. That's looking really, really good. And then for the star of the show, this is our Parmesan garlic. It is wing sauce. They make all different kinds and brands. This is what I got at Food Line. Food Line carries this taste of inspiration. So now it's time for the chicken. So you can use whatever you like. I have decided that I am going to use chicken legs for today. So I'm going to just put my legs right on top. You can use anything with a bone in it. I don't think I would suggest to you to use a boneless chicken breast. I don't think that that would do well. So I would suggest that you would just stick to using thighs, legs, probably not wings, because they would cook too quickly, I would imagine. And so now I'm just taking a paper towel and I'm just going on top, and I'm kind of drying off my chicken. My chicken has been soaking in a little bit of salted water. And then we're gonna take our sauce, give it a really, really good shake, because there's a lot of stuff in the Parmesan garlic wing sauce. And we're gonna pour it, and then we'll spread it out with a spoon, but you wanna get a good amount on there. And it's gonna create this sauce that's gonna be absolutely wonderful. Okay, and this is a 12-ounce bottle, okay? So you have like really more than enough, okay? This is looking really delicious. And we're gonna go in with a little bit more of salt. We're gonna put that right on top of our chicken. And that's probably about another half a teaspoon of kosher salt that we're gonna put right on top of our chicken. Alrighty. Into the oven it goes, 375 degrees until it's completely done.
So that should take about an hour for it to cook, but make sure yours is done.
Okay, so mine, as I said before, mine cooked in the oven for a good hour and 5 minutes. I'm going to dish it out here. Some potatoes. Let's make sure we get some green beans in there too. That sauce. Potatoes seem very, very tender. Green beans. If you're looking for a soft green bean, you're probably not going to get it with this dish. However, I would suggest maybe putting the green beans on the bottom and then the potatoes on top in order to get more of a less crunch. But I mean, I'm fine with them. We like them like this. So they're nice and firm and they are done. That's good. That's really good. There's a potato. It's hot. I'm just gonna go in here and get a little piece of this chicken. Dip it in a little bit of that sauce. That's good. I mean, if you wanted to drain that sauce off, put it in a pan, and add a little bit of cornstarch to it and thicken it up and pour it over top of it. That would be great. But just like this, it's delicious. Chicken is good. So guess what I did? I put it back in the oven, but not before I added a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch to it. So I poured all the liquid out and I added some cornstarch to it, stirred it up really good, poured it back into this container, into this dish, and look, I got a thick, creamy sauce now. That's what I like. So make the adjustments that you need to make. I found this recipe online. I've been seeing it quite a bit and I decided I wanted to try it, but you make it to suit you, just as I just did, because I like that creamy, thick sauce that I have now. Thank you. Be blessed.